Chapter 1, Introduction to ICS. Narrator. When disaster strikes, chaos can easily take over. But what if there was a proven system to organize emergency response teams, streamline communication, and save lives? Police Light, Gear, enter the Incident Command System, a simple yet powerful framework used worldwide to manage emergencies effectively. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about ICS, what it is, how it works, and why mastering it is essential for anyone involved in emergency response. Let's dive in. Narrator. The Incident Command System is a standardized approach to emergency management. It's designed to help responders from different agencies work together seamlessly during incidents, whether it's a natural disaster, a fire, or even a terrorist attack. Developed in the 1970s after devastating wildfires in California, ICS has since become the backbone of emergency response systems globally. It ensures clear communication, efficient resource allocation, and coordinated decision-making, even in high-pressure situations. Key points. Standardization, works across jurisdictions and agencies. Flexibility, scales from small incidents to large-scale disasters. Efficiency, reduces confusion and improves outcomes. Chapter 2, The 5 Key Functions of ICS. Narrator. At the heart of ICS are 5 key functions that guide every emergency response. Let's break them down. Command. The incident commander is the leader who oversees the entire operation. They make critical decisions and ensure everyone stays on the same page. Operations. This team handles tactical activities, like putting out fires, rescuing victims, or containing hazardous materials. They execute the incident commander's plan. Planning. Responsible for gathering information, creating action plans, and anticipating future needs. Without planning, responses can quickly fall apart. Logistics. Ensures resources like equipment, food, and medical supplies are available when and where they're needed. Think of logistics as the backbone of support. Finance/administration. Tracks costs, manages contracts, and handles administrative tasks. This function ensures accountability and transparency during emergencies. Narrator. These 5 functions work together like cogs in a machine, ensuring every aspect of the response is covered. Chapter 3, Why ICS Matters in Emergency Response. Narrator. So, why is mastering the ICS system so important? Here are 3 big reasons. Unified command. In large-scale emergencies, multiple agencies often respond simultaneously. ICS creates a unified command structure, preventing conflicting orders and ensuring everyone works toward the same goals. Scalability. Whether it's a small car accident or a massive hurricane, ICS adapts to the size and complexity of the incident. Improved outcomes. By reducing confusion and improving coordination, ICS saves lives, protects property, and minimizes damage. Fun fact. Did you know? ICS is mandated by the U.S. government under the National Incident Management System. That means first responders, government agencies, and even private organizations must use it during emergencies. Chapter 4, How to Master ICS, Training and Tips. Narrator. Now that you understand the basics, how can you master the ICS system? Here are some practical steps. Take ICS training courses. Organizations like FEMA offer free online courses, such as IS 100 and IS 700. These are great starting points. Practice through simulations. Participate in tabletop exercises and drills to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Understand your role. Whether you're an incident commander, operations chief, or logistics specialist, knowing your responsibilities is crucial. Stay updated. Emergency management practices evolve over time. Keep learning and stay informed about new tools and technologies. Pro tip. Even if you're not a first responder, understanding ICS can help you stay safe during emergencies. For example, knowing how responders operate can make evacuations smoother and more efficient. Chapter 5, Real-Life Examples in Closing. Narrator. To see ICS in action, let's look at 2 examples. Hurricane Katrina. While initial responses were chaotic, ICS eventually helped coordinate federal, state, and local efforts to recover and rebuild. California wildfires. During the Camp Fire, ICS allowed thousands of firefighters, paramedics, and volunteers to work together despite the scale of destruction. Narrator. These examples prove that even in the worst situations, ICS can bring order to chaos. Narrator. Emergency response isn't just about heroics, it's about preparation, coordination, and teamwork. By mastering the ICS system, you can play a vital role in saving lives and protecting communities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on emergency preparedness, safety training, and disaster response. Together, we can build safer, more resilient communities. Glowing star. Thank you for watching, and remember, when seconds count, ICS makes all the difference. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Police Light, Gear.